I'm Jennifer, owner of Pearls of Wisdom and co-owner of Mainline Pearls. And today we are going to talk about what you can do when you're doing lace work and you realize that you have missed a yarn over. I think skipping a yarn over is the most common mistake in lace work, and it's super easy to fix. This is Sari Nordland's Vanilla Tea from her Summer Knits book, and the yarn is 29 Bridges Lyric Sock. So in this row at the very end of the lace work, and unlike the rest of the lace work, there is a row of mostly knit stitches. It's 12 stitch repeat, and there is one purl stitch and then 11 stitches in between. So I've just been counting as I go, doing the purl and then counting 11. So when I came up to this section, I noticed if I count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, good. And then actually I didn't notice from counting, I just noticed from visual, but I'll check the counting as well. So here's your other purl. There's the purl, there's 1, should be 11, so there should be 10 left on this left needle. 2, 4, 6, 8, and there's 9. And if you notice here, the yarn overs make a V. And here's this yarn over, and I know that on the previous row there were 5 knit stitches in between the yarn overs. So there's your yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is no yarn over. So the yarn over should have occurred in between these 2 stitches. So I'm going to knit 1 stitch, and all you have to do is pull up this bar and knit it. And now you have your yarn over as if it was always there.